So here we are. I'm so excited. If you don't know, we just launched our expanded part of our services at Fusion Properties LLC. We have added staging, home staging, vacation rental staging, Airbnb staging, refresh, redesign, organizing for your home. And I decided to refresh some of my paintings at the office that I had done last year when I initially moved into the office, and was like, hey, we need a whole redo on some of these paintings. So I got inspired by some impressionist art that I had seen with big bold flowers, and so I said, I'm gonna paint over these because this is the perfect canvas to do it on. It already had the base, it already had this rich yummy texture. So I realized when I was filming, after I filmed, that I didn't have the camera back far enough for you to see like a wider shot, so it's real close up. So I already know that. I apologize in advance, but I'm using the Liquitex new fluid paint that they have. So I do like it because it's not thick like the regular Liquitex that comes in a tube. This actually comes in a bottle, so it's more like regular acrylic paint. The only challenge was I felt like it wasn't as intense in terms of the color if you use the tube paint, but I would say that this gave a really great coverage considering the fact I'm painting over some super colorful paint and texture and design and paper tear outs that are already on there. So I have no complaints about it. I will keep using it. I do love it, and I'm going to use it from now on. Lastly, and then I'm going to be quiet so you can watch the video, I had a guy randomly walk into my office because our office looks like an art gallery if you're just looking from the outside windows. We're still working on signage, and so when people walk by, they don't know necessarily what we are. So when they come in, I always get the question, is this an art gallery? Is this a furniture studio? What is this, right? Because it's not set up like a regular office. And so one thing he gave me about my art was, he said, can I give you an art critique? So I said, of course, I welcome a critique because I want to be better. I want to do better. I want to know more. And so he recommended using better paint. So y'all know, if you follow me or have followed me for any time, I have bought a whole bunch of Liquitex last year, took it all back to the store and got my money back, vowed to never use it again. Yet here we are. Never say never. So I do love it. And then he shared with me, of course, to put a gloss on everything because I wasn't sure if I wanted to gloss over or put a finish on all the paintings because I wasn't sure if everybody wants a gloss finish. But I did that, painted this. He told me to start painting the sides, sign all my work. So anyway, here I am. I'm just going to share with you what I'm doing is I wanted dimension in the flowers. So I've seen people when they paint and then they go to put their gloss on, everything looks super dimensional. Like you can see all the dimension in the flowers, you can see the dimension in the painting. And so I'm using this ombre technique that I used to use when I was doing nails. I use it here in painting. And so I also realized on the next video that you'll see, not this one, but the one after this one, where I did a butterfly painting, I realized I needed to go dark first and then come up from darkest to lightest in order to get that depth and richness and dimension I was looking for. I did achieve it here, but it took me longer to figure out how to get it. So anyway, I hope you love it. I think it came out beautiful. I love it. I think it's completely gorgeous. You can skip to the end to see how it turned out if you don't want to watch me do all the techniques. And you can also see it hung up in my office as I'm sharing now some of our staging vignettes, like the areas that we have set up in our office, so that when people hire us for staging, we can show off our work and show our artwork and things like that. So super excited. God bless you guys. Thank you again for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will hit the like and subscribe button and follow me here on YouTube. God bless you. Bye.